It's February 11th, 2010, the day after the blizzard. I'm about to walk out and do some shoveling of the snow. As you can see, this is my back porch. It snowed about 8 inches last weekend and approximately 10 or 12 inches yesterday, so that's at least 2 feet of snow. Really pretty. Those are my neighbor's dogs. Hi, how are you doing? The next thing I need to do is work on my steps. That's Olo. Hi, Olo. As you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous today. Cold, but sunny. Really pretty. Wow, the snow is very deep. But there's my backyard. It's still a little bit of flurries today, nothing like yesterday. My neighbor's dogs are having a good time. Got their little sweaters on. The snowplows have come, but I need to work on shoveling out my car. So, anyways, I won't be sitting outside on the porch today. So, absolutely gorgeous out here. Hey, Olo.